There's a new LLM that reasons like Gemini 2.5, but runs at less than 10% of the cost and is 10 times faster. The new Qwen model might revolutionize everything with LLMs. It's a new 80B model, but only has 3 billion active parameters, which means that with Mixture of Experts, they only have to use 3 billion parameters instead of 80 when running each token. They made huge architectural progress to make this happen and have the model learn much more efficiently, but also produce tokens much more effectively with speculative decoding and multi-token prediction, which leads to a 10 times improvements in generation speed and training speed compared to the 32 billion parameter Qwen model. And in fact, the model is even comparable to the 225 billion parameter one. So it's a very promising, super efficient new thinking model, and it's open weight, so everyone can use it. They really made amazing progress in the research aspect and efficiency aspect. Just note that some might be very hardware dependent, so we might need to consider that, but I definitely give it a try. What they did to the architecture to make it super efficient is basically really technical progress to allow for 512 experts rather than, for example, 8 that we had with Mixtral. So it's clear progress there from Mixtral and then DeepSeek to now Qwen3-Next. The thinking model even beats Gemini on some benchmarks and is really comparable while being so much more efficient and way cheaper to use. It also natively supports up to 256,000 tokens in the context window, which is far more than enough and can be extended up to 1 million. In any case, it's clear progress in the research aspect of LLMs, making new systems like this super efficient MoE and a hybrid attention approach with gated attention work on such large models, making them super efficient and much smaller when being used. It's really cool, and if you host local models, I'd surely give it a go. I'm Louis-François, CTO and co-founder of Towards AI, and follow me for tomorrow's No BS Roundup.